Lyme disease cases in Ontario have gone up by 30 times since 2010. 30 times. In 2010, there were 119 confirmed cases in Ontario. Last year, there were 3,614 cases. And this year, experts are already calling it Summer of Ticks. I'm Nev from Astra Hive Pest Control and I've been doing it for years now. Here's what you need to know. There is only one tick in Ontario that carries Lyme disease, and it is called black-legged tick, also known as deer tick. Here is how it finds you. A tick does not jump, it does not fly. It sits at the tip of blade of a grass, a leaf, or a low branch, and it waits. When you brush past it, it grabs onto your body. Then it crawls to a warm hidden spot on your body, behind your knees, or your scalp, or your armpits, the back of your neck, and then it feeds. Here's the part that matters. A tick has to be attached for more than 24 hours before it can transmit Lyme disease. Which means if you check yourself after being outside, you can stop it before it starts. But most people do not check, and most people do not even feel it, because a tick bite is painless. If caught early, Lyme disease is treatable with antibiotics. If it is missed, that is where it gets serious. The first sign is bullseye rash around the bite. Not everyone gets it. Some people get a fever, fatigue, headaches, muscle pain, joint pain. If it goes untreated for weeks or months, Lyme disease can cause neurological damage, heart problems, severe arthritis, and some people deal with symptoms for years. The disease is not going away. The tick population is growing every single year. Reasons why it is spreading so fast in Ontario right now? 3 reasons. Number 1, warmer winters. Ticks that used to die in the cold are now surviving year over year. The frost line in southern Ontario has shifted 30 kilometers north every decade since 1990. Number 2, migratory birds. Songbirds carry tick northwards every spring and drop them in areas where they have never been before. Number 3, white-tailed deers are the primary host for adult black-legged ticks. Ontario deer population has grown 200% since 1980. More deer, more ticks. The entire GTA is now classified as Lyme disease risk area by Ontario Public Health. Oshawa, Whitby, Ajax, Pickering, all over GTA. To be honest, you cannot control what is in the park, but you can control what is in your yard. At Astra Hive, we treat the property with residual pesticide spray along the full perimeter, fence lines, garden beds, long grass edges, wood piles, and anywhere ticks harbor and hide. This creates a barrier. Ticks crossing into your yard pick the product and it stays active for 30 days. If you have kids playing in the backyard, if you have a dog, if you have a long grass near the fence or trees, your yard might have ticks right now. Do not wait until something goes bad. Call or text 905-925-8427. Save this video and share it with every parent in Durham and York region and all over GTA.